Hello roomies, welcome back to my channel. It is Friday, so you're what is wrong with me?
Show me my love. Oh God, show me sweet love. Yeah.
Hello roomies, welcome back to my channel. It is Friday and you already know what time it is. Face Mask Fridays. So before we go ahead and get started on today's video, I want to thank you so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. If you are a new watcher, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. And go ahead and click that subscribe button while you're at it. So for today's mask, we have another one by Miss Spa. This is the detoxifying mask. Now, if you've been watching my videos consistently, you will know that I reviewed a Miss Spa mask last week, and I think it was the exfoliating mask. Yes, exfoliating mask. So today, oh my itch. Today is the detoxifying mask, which is to purify and cleanse your skin. And the front, and it comes with one pre-treated facial sheet mask with minerals and, what does that say? Botanicals. Again, it is paraben, artificial dye, and sulfate free. Let's get to the cute little directions. So, best results if used once a week. Perfect for all skin types. Step 1, unfold mask and remove paper backing. Don't be scared, it will look lovely on you. Step 2, pat mask onto clean, dry skin, gently pressing edges until it fully adheres to your pretty face. 3, turn off your phone and close your eyes for 20 minutes. Daydream about being a queen. 4, remove mask and gently pat remaining solution into skin. Hello, gorgeous. Let's see if they changed the top of this. It looks like they did. It says, give stressed skin a fighting chance. Purify pores without stripping skin's natural moisture balance with my detoxify facial mask. Facial sheet mask. The ultra cleansing formula acts like a magnet to draw out pore clogging dirt, oil, and toxins with a unique blend of minerals. Oh wow, I didn't know that it's owned by women. But I would think that every mask, facial mask, is owned by women. So again, this is, it says you get results in 20 minutes. Oh, this one is black this time. So let's go ahead and unfold. It feels way more different compared to the last one. Yeah, this feels completely different. Do you think that with each mask they like change the texture of it? So for example, the exfoliating mask, the texture of the mask was different compared to this one. Do they try to keep the textures different? I think so. All right. This seemed like it's for more people with, never mind. Wider faces. Okay, put that over here. Get this opening back up. And I'm having a hard time with this one too. Yeah, this seems like it's for people with like wider faces, because this one is wider than the last one. My face really isn't that wide. Oh my gosh, I'm having a hard time. Okay. This is cold. Gotta get close. This is really, really cold. to be honest. I hope I pressed that record button. I did. Okay, so you have the mask on now. Every time I say that, I think of Future song. But we have the mask completely on our face. Press down. And now we just gotta wait for 20 minutes. So, I'll be right back with you. So, guess what time it is? Time to take this off. Before I take it off, I want to say that my face feels minty. It's cold, but it's minty. So let's go. Again, this is what my face looks like, and it's kind of tight right here. Yeah, it's kind of tight around the mouth. But this is again what my face looks like when I'm at work. And just let's mix it in. Can y'all guess what's on my teeth right now? If you could guess, you a real one. You a real one. Cause y'all know I'm blind, but what was the purpose of this mask? Purify and cleanse. I don't know. I will have to rewatch the clip to see if I can see a difference, but as of right now, I would have to say it looks the same. Maybe I'm not, you can't notice anything on the exterior, but on the inner of my skin. But on the inside, y'all know I watch too much Berlizzi. Let me know if y'all know who that is. I watch too much Berlizzi. I'm starting to pick up some of his mannerisms. But maybe on the inside of my skin, on the interior, maybe it did something, but right now I can't tell. My face is freezing cold. Freezing cold. And this mask actually left it a little bit, just a little bit tacky. So you can expect that. But right now, I don't think it did anything. I don't think it did anything, to be honest with y'all. Maybe it's doing something on the inside, but right now, I can't see anything. This again was from Walmart. It is by Miss Spa. I did purchase it for $1.94, I think. Yeah, $1.94. I like the fact that this mask was a different color as opposed to the other one that I used last week. Let's see. I don't think I have anything else to say about it. Oh, look what I just found. Not tested on animals, which is great because, you know, a lot of companies like to test stuff on animals. But what if they're just lying? It's itching right here now. I don't know. But yes, it says it's not tested on animals, which is great. One mask I really do want to try, with no jokes, like all jokes aside, I want to try the black charcoal mask. I really want to try that. I really do, but I'm so scared. I'm so scared because I've seen videos where people were crying. I'm not trying to cry on camera, y'all. I'm not. But I think I'm just rambling now. Thank you so very much for tuning into today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We are at 94 subscribers, guys. We are 6 more away before we hit 100 people. I am so excited. So let's go ahead and keep, you know, giving my videos good feedback so other people can see them. Well, feedback in general, if you like it, if you dislike it. But make sure you do subscribe if you are a new subscriber. And I will see you in my next one. Bye. Look, guys. Can't wait to dig in. This looks so delicious.